Tim Moore, and I'm an estate planning lawyer here at the law firm of Bixler and Moore. And one of the things that we hear all the time from people is, what is a trust? Right? They hear about these trusts. So-and-so's mom has a trust, or yeah, I've got a trust for my business. You know, what's this even mean? It's just this term that gets thrown around. Well, a trust is just a document. It's a document that's an agreement between two parties, the person who's setting aside money and the person who's taking possession of money, right? And so the things that a trust can accomplish are, it can make it so that if you've set your assets aside in a trust, it will avoid probate. So if somebody passes away, then there's no court that has to stand in as an intermediary. You just automatically have someone that's appointed who can settle up an estate outside of the oversight of the courts. It just happens automatically and stays inside of the family. Right? So it's a really powerful mechanism. Now, that's not the only way to avoid probate. And a lot of our clients use different techniques inside of their plans, beneficiary designations, transfer on death designations. So trusts for probate avoidance may not be for everybody. You have to sift through that with your estate planning lawyer. Some other reasons why people create trusts are to protect against the nursing home. Right now, the kind that protects against the nursing home, that's going to be what's called an irrevocable trust. It's irrevocable. You can't get it back. You're revoking the property. That's what makes it so that you can protect it from the nursing home. You essentially are putting your house or your property in your kids' names. Okay? So you have to decide whether you trust them. You have to decide, there's a lot of family issues that can come up related to one of these nursing home asset protection trusts. But people love those. We do them all the time, and they're very successful at helping families protect their assets. They also avoid probate, just like we discussed with the first kind of trust. One of my favorite things that a trust can accomplish is to protect children who may be at risk. So a child who may be disabled, right? Many of my clients have special needs children. And if we left them money directly, it could cause them to be at risk. They can't manage their assets, so they could be taken advantage of, or it could cause them to lose their government benefits. Well, those are undesirable results. A trust for them can give us a mechanism to put somebody else in charge to protect them and use those assets for their benefit. In addition, occasionally we have children who are spendthrifts or have substance abuse, or minor children. You can't leave money to a minor child. They would get it all on their 18th birthday. Not sure if you remember what it was like to be 18, but you didn't want to entrust me with money when I was 18, even though I was a pretty good kid. Trusts, they're just agreements. It's just a document between two people, either yourself to manage your estate once you're gone and to get somebody else in there, or with somebody else to protect assets for them. Either way, it's kind of a complicated conversation. There's no one-size-fits-all trust. It's not like everybody needs to have X, Y, or Z. It really is specific to your family situation, your finances. So what we really recommend is you consult with an estate planning lawyer who almost exclusively does this kind of work. We have several over here at our firm. We'd love to help you. You can give us a call, get on our calendar, or learn more about us on our website.